I'm currently deleting things off of my current SD card. Right now I'm running off the one that I just deleted because since I got a new phone, I forgot the password to this GoPro, and I can't delete the videos from my phone. So I have to get on a computer, then delete it that way. So that's what I'm doing right now, because tomorrow is actually a pretty big day. In the morning, I believe me and my pap are going to go fishing in the creek, which, before I forget about it, I apologize for not getting the last creek video that I made up. I made it. It's just, I tried to get it in 4K and then it messed everything up. Yep. So what I think I'm going to have to do is delete the creek videos off of the computer at my house, because right now I'm at my grandparents' house. Keep them on GoPro again, so tomorrow, like I said, we're going to go creek fishing, and then after that we are going to, me and my pap, and maybe my dad, are going to go to the Dirt Classic at Lincoln Speedway. It's a really big race. It's $20,000 to win. So it should be a really good race. I know that there's going to be a lot of guys there from Port Royal and Williams Grove here around this area. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm going to actually leave this SD card like as it is, because this one has all the creek fish and stuff. So in order for me to make the video again, I'm going to have to keep this on, obviously, but and here's the stuff. So I'm going to try to get that done for you guys. Creek fishing tomorrow, maybe at the same spot as that place, I'm not sure. I'm going to be using probably the same bait that I was using in there too, which is the Neko Rig. If you haven't subscribed yet, I highly would appreciate it if you do, because I'm going to be making t-shirts and sweatshirts and just things like that you guys want, hats, whatever, for you guys to give to you, and make it from my family too. And I'm going to be doing a lot here pretty soon, because the salmon run is coming back up to New York, and my pap's camp is 30 minutes away maybe from where they fish a lot for them for salmon and steelhead. Just stay tuned, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So it is currently the next morning since I talked to you guys last. It's now 8 o'clock in the morning. We are going to go creek fishing. We're going towards Shermansdale because we are bringing the dog with us, and we don't want him to drown in some of the other spots that we got. We haven't really had much luck in this area for the past couple of times that we've been there. I'm going to keep with what I was using in the past creek fishing video that I tried to get up, but it's not really known for big fish like the other area is, but might get lucky and catch a decent one. So it's a little chilly out here, so we'll just have to see what's happening. I got my Pflueger and stuff in the garage, and I will see you guys in the creek. Go. I got a big one. That's a big one. Personal best right there. Personal best right there. There you go, Ruger. Probably would have been one of the biggest fish I've caught in here. No. It's a little better fish. Ruger, don't be ruining that spot. Ruger, come here. Ruger, look what I got. Look what I got. Come here. Look at that one, Pat. Pat. Not a bad one. Skinny. Not a bad little fish right there. Yeah. Hey, Ruger, no. There's a third fish. Ruger. Uh-oh, Pat. Uh-oh. That's a nice one. Probably the biggest one of the day. A really nice one, actually. Ruger, no, 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 Ruger, Ruger, Ruger. Oh, yeah. Ruger, Ruger, no. Ruger, Ruger, Ruger. Holy crap, boy. That's going to be an interesting thing to watch. Him running around like that. Holy crap, boy. You gotta stop coming after him. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's a nice one right there for here. Right there's probably the biggest fish of the day for me. Probably the biggest fish of the day for the whole day, so I'm gonna put him back. No. Made. Just trying to get that freaking fish in. I don't want him to break my line. There's a little guy. There we go. That's my first rock bass of the year. I haven't caught one yet this year. It's my first one. Nice little rock bass. My first one that I've caught this year. Get him, Ruger, get him. Yep. That was a nice one I lost right there. Got a nice one on here. Probably the second best fish I got. I did a lot better than what I thought I was going to do there. I thought I was going to be like, catch nothing, and if I did, be little tiny ones, but not today. I caught 9 smallmouth and 2 rock bass. The biggest smallmouth I'd say was about 9-10 inches maybe. So now I just got out of the shower. Of course I gotta be rocking the Brock's Earfoss hat. You have to. Brock's Earfoss, the best sprint car driver in the world. Get ready to go to the Dirt Classic at Lincoln Speedway, and might take a little bit of a snooze back here, so next time you see me, we will probably be on our way to Lincoln Speedway for the 3rd annual Dirt Classic. It's now the next night since the Dirt Classic at Lincoln Speedway. I didn't get any footage because they didn't kick me out, but they said I couldn't record there, so either way, it was a really good race. Stevie Smith won, if any of you guys know who that is. My guy didn't do too hot, but it was a really good race between first, second, and third, which was Stevie Smith, Danny Dietrich, and Greg Hodnett. Lance DeLeese was probably the biggest of the night. He started 16th and finished 4th. Greg started 11th, finished 2nd. Stevie started 2nd, finished 1st. Danny Dietrich started 4th or 5th and got 2nd after a very bad crash Friday night at Williams Grove. Caught on fire and whatnot, so really proud of him for doing that good. I'm going to get this video edited here, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. I will try my best with this GoPro Studio thing, because it hasn't really been cooperating too much, so I highly suggest going to Lincoln Speedway. It's a really nice track. It's fast, it's a lot of good racing, a lot of passing, and it gets you really hyped. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So one step closer to October 1st.